Hello, my Storytime friends, and welcome back to Storytime Fun. I'm Miss Sara, and I'm so glad that you are all here with me virtually this week. Now, for this week, we're going to start off with one of our favorites, popcorn kernels. Now, I'm at the library, so I have one of our scarves, but since you all are at home, you can go ahead and grab a clean Kleenex or a clean dish towel or washcloth, or if you happen to have a scarf in your closet, then you can, of course, use that as well. All right, here we go. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, till they pop, till they pop. Let's do that one more time. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, till they pop, till they pop. Great job, my Storytime friends. Now, let's get to our flannel board for today. Now, as you may or may not know, yesterday was Groundhog's Day, and tradition says that when Mr. Groundhog comes up out of his home, if he sees his shadow, then winter will continue, but if he doesn't see his shadow, then we'll have an early spring. Now, since Mr. Groundhog is a bit of a weatherman, we're going to go ahead and try our own hand at telling weather. So first, I'm going to sing our flannel board song, and then I'm going to ask you what the weather is in each of these pictures. So make sure you're paying attention during the song and looking at the pictures so that you're ready to answer my questions. All right, here we go. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? Is there rain or snow or sun? All right, so that was our song. So let's take a look at our first picture. What's the weather in this picture? You see the kite is flying, and what's this? It's windy. Great job, my Storytime friends. Now in our second picture, what do you see? You see some clouds? So that means it's cloudy. Good job. In this picture, what do you see? See a dark cloud, like gray, and is that lightning? And then what are these little blue dots? It's rain. So you can say it's raining, or since there's lightning, it's storming. Either one is correct. And what about this one? What do you see? You see a cloud, and then what are these little white things that are falling from the cloud? Snow. Good job. So it's snowing. And then in our last picture, what is that? That's the sun, so it's sunny. Great job, my little Storytime friends who are also weather people. Now let's go ahead and sing some songs about our friend Mr. Groundhog. Our first song is called I'm a Little Groundhog, and it's to the tune of I'm a Little Teapot. I'm a little groundhog on my special day. If I see my shadow, then winter will stay. If I do not see it, spring will soon be here, and all the pretty flowers will be blooming far and near. Great job! This next one is a bit of a rhyme with some motion, so go ahead and follow along. Groundhog, groundhog, popping up today. Groundhog, groundhog, can you play? If you see your shadow, hide away. If there is no shadow, you can stay. Groundhog, groundhog, popping up today. Groundhog, groundhog, can you play? Great job this week, my Storytime friends. A couple of reminders before we go. Remember, our winter reading program started on January 11th, and it goes through this Saturday, February 6th. So if you haven't signed up yet, there's still time. You can still read for a couple days and enter to win some prizes. To register for that, go ahead and go to Morley's website and go to the children's part across the top, and then when you click on that, under the drop-down arrow area, there will be a winter reading program page that you can click on and register. And then if you have been participating, remember to keep filling out your Google Forms reading logs, which also is on our winter reading program page. And when you do that, you can enter how many days you've read and then which prizes you want to enter to try to win. And if you haven't picked up your winter reading program bag yet, go ahead and come to the library to pick that up. And remember to like Morley Library's Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can continue to have all kinds of storytime fun with us, and also keep an eye out on the crafts we're doing. This week is our snowman twirler. You can go ahead and call the library and we can place that at the window for you. But remember, our crafts only last as supplies last. All right, my Storytime friends, wonderful job today. I will see you virtually next week. Goodbye, my Storytime friends. Have a great week.